This video will be going over how to acquire and install the drivers for the PC30dwn printer. You will need internet access for this to work. Make sure that the printer is connected to your computer via USB, or that the computer is on the same network as the printer when it is connected via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Download the Visioneer update utility from our website www.visioneer.com and run it. It will locate your printer. Select it from the menu and then click Proceed. When a window pops up with the option, ensure that the printer driver has been checked, then click Download. Once the download is completed, click Install and continue through the installation process. During this process, select the appropriate checkboxes for the types of drivers you want to install between network and USB drivers. If you install the network driver, you will also need to enter the IP address of the printer in order to properly link it up. You can allow the installer to detect the printer automatically, or enter the IP address manually by finding it from the system page. For more information on how to find the system page, please see the linked video. When all of your software is done installing, you will have the option to exit. For more information, please visit www.visioneer.com.